3, 4, 5. Caught a catch that's so alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Had to let it go again. Why'd you have to set it free? Bit my finger, can't you see? Left a mark, it's just my luck. Still I miss that little buck. Fish tails ending in a note. Round the lake our dreams flow. Cast and reel and let it fight. Miss that fish despite the bite. Now and then my mind does stray to that fish I sent away. Wonders if it tells the tale of the time we both set sail. Numb and aching finger shows from the bite that fish imposed. Yet I smile at the memory of the day it swam so free. Fish tails and